Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to create a Coinbase account for the beginners. There's different ways, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a, a verif a link, a referral link from another person. So I'm going to put my referral link down below, and then you guys can use that referral link to sign up for Coinbase. So when you click that referral link that I'm going to put down in the description below, you're gonna see this. It's gonna bring you to this page. So mostly when you sign up with a referral link, you're gonna be able to claim free $10 worth of Bitcoin. But there's also other requirements you have to do once you sign up. So you don't get the $10 worth of Bitcoin right away. You have to do something else after you sign up. But there's a chance of getting free money. Anyways, once you get to this page, once you click the referral link that I put down below, you're gonna need to put in your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Okay, so before we get started, I want you to make sure that you have a proper email working. And I suggest that you have a Gmail, but whatever email that you have that is working, as long as you have access to the email, it's fine. As long as your email is accessible, you can use it, you can go to it, you can use that email. So you can use that email, and then you can put your first name, your last name, and your password. Also, I require you that while you're watching this tutorial or while you're making your Coinbase account or any other account, that you should have a notebook beside you, or you should have something that you can put your important things down and keep it safe. Also, you're gonna need you're gonna need a proof of address, so you could use your email. I mean, you could use your mail. Maybe you could use like an electricity bill, hydro bill, or you could use um yeah, you could use your hydro bill, electricity bill, or anything that anything that proves that you live in where you live. A proof of address. So you need one proof of address, and you need one identification document. You need an ID. So this could be a driver's license or a passport. So you could have I'm you need like either like a provincial card, or yeah, like if you live in Ontario, you could have an Ontario card, or health card doesn't work in Ontario. Um or you could have like student ID doesn't work. You could have like maybe like a PR card or like a citizenship card. You could have a barangay card. Maybe barangay card work if you live in the Philippines, if there is such a thing as a barangay card. But you need proof of identity, an ID, and then a proof of address. So you need those two documents. And once you have that, once you have those two documents, and then you have an email, you have your first name and then your last name, you have your password, you're great to go. So once you have that, all you have to do is just click this, and then you have to click on this one over here, and then you just have to do what it tells you to prove that you're human, you're not a robot. And after that, you can create your account. Also, if it asks for your phone number, put it in, and make sure the phone number that you put in is a phone number that is working and you can use and you can access. And also, it's gonna ask for your nationality. So if you have a passport, let's say if you have a Philippine passport, um, if you're gonna use your passport, and it's not expired as an identification document, you could use that, but make sure your whatever passport that you have and that is working, make sure that for the nationality that you choose, it matches the passport. So if it says that you're Filipino in your passport, make sure that you select your nationality as a Filipino, or you live in the Philippines. Or if not, if you have another like identification document that you can use, like a driver's license or or like a driver's license, it's okay. You can put wherever you live, wherever like you reside right now. Okay. So once you have those, and once you submit your two identification documents, so once you submit your one ID and then one your proof of address, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a picture of those things, front and back, I believe. And then what's gonna happen is that you're gonna submit it to them, and then they're gonna verify it. They're gonna verify it. Once they verify it, it should verifying only should takes like when you submit it, it should take like maybe like 1 to 5 minutes. If you haven't if what you have is not valid, you're gonna decline it, and then you're gonna have to submit another one. But yeah. But anyways, I'm just telling you the overview of how to create a Coinbase account. But I'm not showing you right now because I'm just like talking about it, but that's how it goes, and this is where you go. But I just want to show you what Coinbase looks like inside once you create an account. So I'm just gonna pull out my Coinbase account. So once you get here, over here, usually when you first create your Coinbase account, it will usually show my balance and it says 0. It says 0 right there. And then over here on the side, you can see my assets. So if you click on my assets, you'll see your assets. And then red, you can see the different types of things you can trade. You can buy things, different cryptos you can buy and you can trade. And over here, you can say earn. That's we're not gonna talk about that. Talk about that in another video. Now let's talk about learning rewards. So over here in the learning rewards, if you just created your Coinbase account, I recommend that you do it. So at the side, go to learning rewards and then watch all of these videos or read all of these articles, because from reading these articles and learning from them, you can earn money. So over here, if you finish this, you can earn worth of $4 GRT, and over here you can earn worth of $3 AMP, and over here you can earn worth of $3 near. And at the same time you're learning something. So I recommend that you do that. Over here you can just see Web3, and over here you can just see pay. And over here you can just see more. But anyways, let's go back to our home page. You can click this one over here, home. Now, in Coinbase, you can buy crypto, sell crypto, send crypto, and receive crypto. So to buy and sell, you go to buy and sell. And what you just do is just click buy and sell. And if you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, you click on sell. Now for buying, over here it shows the amount in the fiat currency, or Philippine currency, Philippine peso, or Canadian dollars, depending on where you live. And then if you click on this arrow over here, it will allow you to switch back to a crypto. Over here also, it says buy Bitcoin. If you click on this, you can choose whatever crypto you want to choose. So if you want to like buy Ethereum, you can click on Ethereum. Go back. And also here you can select whatever payment type you want to pay with. Also, you can add a payment method. So let's talk about adding a payment method. So when you go to your profile over here and go to your settings, over here, when you go to your profile and go to your settings and go to your payment method, over here, you'll be able to add the payment method. So right now, I have my debit added and my PayPal added. Usually, when you buy crypto in Coinbase, you use your debit to buy. So what they do is that your debit is linked to your Coinbase, and what they do is that when you buy crypto using your debit, they take out money from your debit, and on your PayPal, you use it when you're selling Bitcoin. So when you wanna, and it's usually used for withdrawing money. So when you wanna sell your Bitcoin, what they do is that your PayPal is linked to your Coinbase, and then the Bitcoin that you sold, they're gonna put it to your PayPal account, and then from your PayPal account, you can put it to your bank. But that's another topic to talk about. But over here is just where you add a payment method. So if you want to add a payment method, just click on it, add a payment method, and then see over there PayPal for withdrawals only, and credit and the debit and small investment. So yeah. So for example, you wanna add a credit or debit, just click on that, and then all you have to do is add all of your card details and then add the card. And so once you have that, you can buy crypto now. And if you wanna sell, you need a PayPal account. So click on add a payment method and click on PayPal. And then what's gonna happen is it's gonna redirect you to a PayPal page, and then you're gonna have to log in with your PayPal account. Or if you don't have a PayPal account yet, I suggest you create a PayPal account first, but that's another video. I don't have a video for that yet, but I'll create one soon. So I just went back to this page, and now I just want to show you send and receive. So buy and sell, send and receive, that's gonna be on the top over here, top left. So send and receive, if you click on send and receive, this is where you go to if you want to send Bitcoin, send crypto or receive crypto. So if you just click on send and receive, if you click on send and receive, it's gonna take you here. So you're gonna see send and receive. So over here in the send part, you can see pay with Bitcoin, to, and then a note. I don't really use a note. I only use pay with and to, and this one over here. So this one over here is at the top. It tells you. So if you click on 20, that's $20, and if I convert it to Bitcoin, that shows the amount in Bitcoin. But right now, I don't have enough, so that was just an example. And then when you enter the amount there, usually when I enter an amount, I usually put my amount in Bitcoin. So I my amount in Bitcoin, and then I just put the decimals. And then 2 is the address of where I'm gonna send the Bitcoin to. So I usually have the amount of Bitcoin and the address of which I'm gonna send it to. I have it on another tab, and then I just copy those things, and I copy and paste the address here in 2, and then I paste the amount of Bitcoin in decimals over here that I have to send, and I just hit on continue, and usually it's gonna ask for it's gonna send a verification on my phone. So it's gonna say that verification sent to this number, and then what you're gonna have to do is go to that number and then type in the verification. So that's where your phone number comes in. That's why having a phone number that works is important, because you're gonna use it when you're doing Coinbase transactions. And when you go to receive is where you receive Bitcoin or other crypto. So over here, just make sure to select the right crypto. So over here, if you click on this Bitcoin, you can actually select which asset. So just make sure that you're selecting the right one. So if you're if you're receiving Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. If you're receiving Ethereum, select Ethereum. I think Ethereum is down here somewhere. And if you're selecting DAI, select DAI. Just make sure you select the right one. Once you select the right one, it will tell you the address. So over here, I selected Bitcoin, and over here, it tells me the Bitcoin address. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight it, and then right click. I'm gonna highlight it, right click it, and copy it. Okay? Or if that's too hard for you, you can just use this. It also works as well. When you click on that, it copies the address, if it's easier for you. Once you have that, you just send that address to whoever wants to send you Bitcoin. Or you just paste it to whoever like wants to send you Bitcoin. But that's how you send Bitcoin. And usually it takes about like 30 minutes to an hour. Also, sending Bitcoin usually takes 30 minutes to an hour sometimes. But yeah. If you guys need any help, you can click here, need help, right? And then you can ask for questions here, or you can contact them or message them. So if you click on contact us, if you click on contact us, and if you click on message us, you'll be able to message Coinbase. See right there, you'll be able to message Coinbase. Now let's go back to our page. I'm just gonna click on this arrow to go back to our Coinbase. So we're back to our Coinbase. So we've talked about earning rewards through learning over here. And then we also talk about adding payment methods, adding your debit or your credit and your PayPal account so that you can buy and sell Bitcoin. And then I talk about my assets. So over here, your assets will show. But when you're new, you don't have any assets yet. And then when you go home, it just shows you the home page. So yeah, over here also when you go down, there is news. So yeah, this is it. If you guys have any questions, you guys can just tap it down below and I'll answer it for you. And feel free to like all of our other videos as well, so that we can keep creating more content for you guys. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated if anything new comes up. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.